Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which is located under the Google folder. I'm gonna turn off the sync, keep off, and from here click on the three bars right in the corner, select settings, and at the bottom you will find the import option. Select SIM card. This will then display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and by default they will all be selected. If you see some contacts that are deselected, don't worry about those. They already are on your phone whenever you want to import them, so the phone is just stopping you from creating a duplicate version of it. Additionally, you can also change the location where it will be saved to. By default it will opt into the device, but you can change it to, for instance, something like your Google account if you are logged into one. So if I select one of them, as you can see, it grays them out and I can't select them because those contacts already exist on this account. So choose where you want to upload them. Obviously, if you go with a Google account, this will be synced between all the devices that are logged into the same account. But if you select just this device, then only this phone will have those contacts. Anyway, let's select import. It will give us the number of contacts imported, and if we go back, you can see them right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.